Hey guys, Chung Dha here. So here we have a very special box. This is the Profoto B10 Duo Kit. This has basically two Profoto B10s, plus the extra thing you get with this package is a backpack. So you can have both of the lights in there, plus also have some space for like other extra gear. So let's open this up. So here we have a small tab. Open it here. Another and another. So, well, it's directly the bag, and see it here. So the bag itself, Profoto logo here. On the back we have like a hard cover also saying Profoto. And actually, let's try it out. So in here there is two. This actually doesn't weigh that heavy at all compared to like the B1s. This actually feels really nice, and it's a nice backpack. And let's open this up. So on the inside it has a zipper, and open like this. Here we have the B10s. We have like some welcome text or congratulation text as always. Let's see, so we have the two B10s. So we can see here the two B10s, two heads for on the light stands, power adapters, USB cable probably for updating, and two power adapters. A great feature of the Profoto B10 is that you can directly actually use the battery while it's still being charged. So you can actually wall plug this battery, and while it's actually being charged you can still use it. This is like the only flash out there that can do this. You might think, what is this feature useful for? So if you don't have like a lot of batteries, you can actually plan in your shoots to have like being outdoors, shooting a certain amount of shots, and then going for indoor shots where you can wall plug it and recharge the battery at the same time. So that's a great feature about this battery, that it actually is enabled you to wall plug it. While like with previous or other kinds of big studio flash, you either need to be only wall plugged, or like you only have like a battery that you can use. So you can't really like recharge the battery at the same time, or you need to have like extra batteries that you have like one that you're using and the other one that's recharging at the same time. So that is like the great thing about the B10, that you can recharge it while you're still using it. So you can also use these as like video lights, because you have white light and also tungsten light, so you can change also the temperature of the light if you want to use these lights for video also. And of course, like for continuous lighting photography. Here we have the manual in here. What else? Some extra dividers. So if you probably remove like these extra adapters, could fit in here like a camera with a lens. And I thought you would have like a little bit more space to put things in here. And already on the B10s itself are the batteries. So we can remove these. Let's see how those goes. It's pretty much like the B10s or B1s with like here. And there is like a plug here for recharging. And of course, like there's like a small tab you need to remove before you can use it. And put this back. So let's actually grab one of the B10s out of here. So you have like a cover, and have it here. So it's really nice and small. Has like a, I think it's a 1/4-20 hole on the bottom. Really nice small. We don't really need to remove a lot of things then that just that one small piece on the battery and we can directly use it. So that, I think, is most of it. So inside the bag, so we have like an extra area here to put all our things in. Here another pouch area, so 2 pouches, and here you could put like your information. And here on the back, so here on the back we could slide something in between here. Not quite sure what the specific idea for that is. Let's see what else with the bag, because this bag is more actually quite interesting, because you only get it when you buy like the double kit or the duo kit. Here we have, okay, so we have actually on top a special opening. I haven't seen this before in our bags. So this is, I think, if you want to remove insert or quick access to some of the gear that you place on top. So that's an interesting idea. And here on the sides, both sides, there are pouches and a small strap, so you can easily actually mount like a light stand or a tripod here on the side. Let's see what size it is. Yeah, we can easily put like certain light stands in here, like on both sides, so you don't need to have like light stand bag, and you can mount like 2 light stands. I wouldn't put 2 big ones, but like the small Profoto Nanos would fit here nicely. And I think that was mostly it. Okay, we have here also an extra pouch here on the side where we can put like small things in here. And we have here something. No. So that was mainly it for the duo kit. So you get a pretty nice bag with a lot of features, and yeah, especially if you need a bag to put 2 light stands on the sides, this would fit nicely. And yeah, it doesn't seem to have that much space for if you are using like big DSLR with big lenses, but if you are using like mirrorless cameras, I can see like you do have enough space nicely to put like those smaller lenses with small mirrorless bodies in this bag. So yeah, we'll be starting and be using the B10s for our upcoming shoots and see how this would work and how nicely it would also be to use this not only for photography but also for video. So that was mainly it, unboxing the Profoto B10 Duo Kit. Hopefully you guys found this a quite interesting video. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button here below, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.